Hey there, creative minds! Staring at a blank page, unsure where to start your next story or character design? You're not alone. That's where tools like novelai come in, promising to unleash your imagination with AI. But with so many options out there, is novelai the one to invest in? In this video, we'll take a close look at novelai.net, breaking down exactly how it works, what you can create, and helping you decide if paying for a subscription unlocks the creative freedom you're looking for. Novelai presents itself as a powerful suite designed to easily bring your imagination to life without limits, specifically focusing on anime-inspired art and storytelling. At its core, it offers two main creative avenues: an AI image generator for creating anime-style artwork, and an AI storyteller powered by their latest text model GLM 4.6, which boasts 4x longer context and multi-language support. You can start exploring these tools immediately with a free trial that offers 30 free generation. The platform's interface is purpose-built to be simple and fast, encouraging you to focus on creation rather than complicated settings. For image generation, you describe your vision using natural language or a comprehensive set of visual tags in a prompt like "one girl, starry background, orange eyes," and the AI brings it to life. It goes beyond basic generation with advanced features for greater control. You can use image to adjust details while keeping the original composition, transfer the aesthetic vibe from one image to inspire a new one, or use the in-paint tool to naturally correct mistakes or add brand new details with a brush. For crafting characters, you can even use multiple character prompts to outline each figure distinctly in a single scene. To combat creative block, a handy random prompt dice button generates new inspiration instantly. The platform also provides advanced AI settings for enthusiasts who want to fiddle with samplers and parameters. Novelai offers three main monthly subscription plans: Tablet at $10, Scroll at $15, and Opus at $25 USD. All plans grant access to image generation and promise unlimited images under default settings, along with a 20% discount on pay-as-you-go currency purchases. The key difference is the monthly bonus of Anlas, the platform's generation currency, with Tablet and Scroll including 1,000 Anlas, and the top-tier Opus plan providing 10,000 Anlas each month. For users who prefer not to subscribe, a separate pay-as-you-go option is also available. Ultimately, novelai is a robust and specialized platform for anime art and AI-assisted storytelling. It successfully lowers the barrier to entry for digital art creation while offering depth for those who want more control. The question of whether it's worth paying for hinges entirely on your creative output. I encourage you to take the free trial for a spin and see if it sparks your imagination. If you find yourself consistently hiding the generation limits or craving the advanced tools, then upgrading to a paid plan could be a worthwhile investment in your creative journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to let us know in the comments what you create.